In today's video, I'll show you how to make one of my favorite Middle Eastern bread recipes. So let's get into it. Start by adding 700 milliliters of water, and then we will add to it a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of instant yeast. We will just mix these all together and leave them for about 5 minutes. Once you will have this white cover on top, just dump in 1 kilo of plain flour or any other bread flours that you have. And add to it 1 tablespoon of salt and mix them using a knife. So it's very important not to use your hands at this stage. So you will mix this until all the flour is mixed with the water. And then you will have a sticky dough. Just cover it and leave it for about 1 hour. We will just sprinkle some flour on the bench and then we will add all the dough and we will start kneading our dough. So this process needs about 5 to 10 minutes. So you will hold, pull and slap on the bench. And you will keep doing this until you will have a soft dough. And it shouldn't be sticky. As you can see, the dough now is looking very soft. So I'll just shape it like this and then I'll separate them to 100 gram balls. Now you don't need to add any flour on the bench, just add a little bit of flour on your hand and then shape them like this. Make sure you have a gap between the two hands while you are rolling the dough. So they should look like this. And we will do the same with the rest of the dough. So here they are. I'll just cover them with a kitchen towel and then leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the 10 minutes, just sprinkle some flour and then you will hold it like this and gently tap on the dough left and right using the back of your fingers. And the last step is you will stretch the sides of the dough and cover them and leave them for 30 minutes. Before transferring them to the oven, I'll use some flour mixed with water and then brush the dough. And sprinkle some sesame and black seeds. This will be baked on 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And voila! This is our easy and very tasty Middle Eastern bread. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.